Hi everyone, JT here. So, it is August 2025. I'm outside and I think all of y'all know what it is. Yes, it is time for my monthly routine. It is time for the monthly demolition update of Sunrise Mall for this month of August. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the progress of the demolition. Alrighty, so I said last time I wouldn't film from this entrance, but it seems I found a little opening here. And as you can see, that is what is left of the mall, still intact. You can even see some of the tile flooring is still there. But yeah, that is completely what is left of the mall as of currently. So the last time I filmed here, we had a bit of another news update. It seems like the local news always has to break with a news story about the what's going on over here every time I film, and it seems like once again they missed the deadline mark for the demo to get everything cleared, and they're getting fined a lot of money by the city for not clearing up the property still. So this video is, again, we're going to see how much has been cleared, how much has not been cleared, and do that whole shtick that I usually do every time I do these videos. Back at this area of the mall, the outlet store gate, this part still sealed. Still amazes whoever's going to use this space. Just does. And who surveils this area, I don't know. So this is the former Sears Auto Center. It's like a sports bar called Eddie's Tavern, with a nice outdoor patio with a big screen and stuff. And they have it on ESPN with the honoring the Hall of Famers, the Pro Football Hall of Fame. So they're showing that. But yeah, that was the Sears Auto Center, a restaurant. We're back to this area. The Sears logo thing. Yeah. Sears. And we have those super patch, pothole patch stuff in there, and some abandoned carts. And that's all of the abandoned Sears, and there's even lights still on over there, I just noticed. Go over here, security camera over there. That's two. And this is the electrical room. Can't see anything in there. Nothing. Nothing at all. So, this is what's left of the mall. And it's clear there's no debris piles everywhere. Why do I sneeze every time I film these? Yeah, so there's not any debris field. There's some little stuff like way over there, but other than that, there's nothing much left except that corner of the mall, which we're going to take a look in a little bit later. But yeah, it seems much more clearer than the last few times that I've been here. There's not big debris piles all piled up, and there's also not a lot of construction equipment, so there's that, where you get a better angle. I noticed some tiling still left from the building. Still left. Huh. That's a surprise to see. They also have these leftover steel beams. Still need to go, but other than that, again, it looks much clearer than the last few times we were here. There. Very clear. Very clear. What they're gonna do next, we'll have to wait and see. Underneath the parking garage, this place is sealed off still. I have no clue why. Some liminal space right there. Okay, there's some guy in a wheelchair over there. I'm trying not to film him. Yeah, so we're underneath the parking garage getting some shade. Still fenced off. I don't know when they'll unfence this, but we will see. Again, it seems like a much clearer space than the last time we filmed here. So that there's the elevator shaft, the parking garage. Yep, that's still there. Get another view of the remaining escalators and stairs that are still left in this mall. Yeah, still there. Gonna take a look at that sign. Still decaying. Looks like we got a little car wreck that happened here, I guess. But let's take a focus on the sign. Yep, still falling apart. Still standing. And decaying right before our eyes. Yeah. Piece of cloth's like blowing in the breeze right there. Let's get away from this sign. Taking another angle of the cleared of space again. There's some debris way over there, still standing, that needs to be taken out of here. Yeah. And there's the elevator shaft. Yep. So crazy. It's almost nearing completion, or about to be. That's gonna make a nice element for my ASMR filming when I do that in a bit. And we get right in the elevator. Here's the furniture. This is just a routine I like doing. Just a routine at this point for me to do this, just because, and also to get a little break from the heat, because God, it's hot outside. The former mall entrance. And you can't see anything.
I have this table set right here that's 390. You don't want the picture, right?
Not really an exciting fit than usual, but Always got to do this every time I'm near the mirrors here. Yeah. Deadpool. Alright. One. Definitely needed that. Most definitely get out of the heat for a bit. Montgomery Ward store. It's still open. Okay, back live filming. Back filming. When I say live, this is recorded. Just left the Bell Furniture, do the usual ride of the elevator, water feature stuff. And now we continue on, and of course, also I just want to point out something here. Over there, that's gonna be where Spirit Halloween will be this year, and once that opens, I will do a filming of that on my Snapchat. So follow me on Snapchat if you want to see that. Definitely want to check. You might want to check that out if you can. Check out all my socials, honestly. You'll find them linked there: Facebook, Blue Sky, Twitch. I need to do a Twitch live stream sooner or later. I keep saying to, but I don't. But definitely check out my other social medias. It's on my channel. If you can see them on there. So just do that if you can. I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Hit the notification bell as well. Just please do so. That kind of helps. Okay, really want to grow this channel a bit. Abandoned part of the mall still standing. Yep, that it is. No park past this point. No one's really parked here. This artwork always is a head scratcher for me. Hi everyone. So after I filmed that graffiti face over there, I didn't film the rest of the graffiti art because there was a police truck here. So right now, while I'm filming my ASMR installment of my walk around video, the police truck is gone, so I'm able to film the rest of the graffiti art. So let's insert that into this video. Yep. Still very there. Be better today. Something we really need to do right now. And of course, that evil eye. Ugh. It's not my ASMR video unless I filmed this stuff. Now back to the original footage, which this was inserted into. Okay? Okay. Thank you. The customer parking pickup only sign. It's still damaged, but at least it's standing up a bit. Unlike the last time I filmed it, I had to really fix it back up. And we cut here. The parcel pickup and product service area. Can't see anything in there. Okay, so unlike last time I was here, you could see all the debris is gone from this part of what is standing of the mall. But this part of the mall is still standing. But at least we get a better view inside. And as you can see, some of the escalators are still intact in there. And there's still a lot about this part of the mall that's still kind of dangerous. I still don't like that. You know? I mean, at least we could see everything clearer now, but again, there's still parts of this intact portion that Could be very dangerous. And the last remaining sign of Sunrise Mall. It's still standing. Yeah. Now this is a sign most definitely that they've cleared all the debris. Look at that. I can actually see inside, and again, we still see a staircase standing and a set of escalators. Again, it's just this part. I'm wondering, are they good at taking it down or not? Because I would like to see. Oh well. Another look of what is left of Sunrise Mall. Really is crazy how much after 8 months it's really gone. Except that part. That needs to go sooner or later. Okay, so for some reason they're doing, I don't know what they're fixing here. Water pipe maybe? I don't know. I have to literally get on the sidewalk in order to go over there to the abandoned Walgreens. People need to realize it's hard work filming these videos. I get quite a workout basically having to do this. So what are they doing here? What is going on? Anyways, we're gonna take a look at the abandoned Walgreens over there. See what's going on over there. Alright, there's the Sunrise Mall. And this is the Walgreens. Abandoned still. Gonna take a look in there. And oh look. Well, I found a chair which I can stand on, which is great because I'm able to now properly give you guys a look at the abandoned Walgreens without having to strain or try to deal with the strain of having to lift this camera up. But yep, still abandoned. Very abandoned. And now you can get a very properly looking inside, yeah. Thank you to anybody who left this abandoned chair here. That helped me greatly. Still broken. And finally, we look inside from the pharmacy window. Still abandoned, power off, no AC blowing. Yep, that's what's left. That is what is left. And that's it. That is a look at this month's walkthrough of the demolition update of Sunrise Mall for this month of August. As we saw, some debris has very much been cleared. Still, there's a portion of the mall that's still standing. There's kind of pieces in there that could be deemed dangerous, but who knows? Knowing the local news, they'll find something to report on about the state of this mall. So, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for supporting these videos. I'm still amazed you all watch these. I'm going to try my best to do these every month and finally do, I think, one more in December. And I think that's really it, because really after that, I don't think there's much to do. So now I got to do my ASMR version of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, please like, share, subscribe if you can, hit the notification bell. Share this video if you can, like it. And just subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to see, I'm gonna definitely get tickets for the new Demon Slayer movie coming out next month, and I'm going to CadabraCon too, but not really much, a lot, because I'm not really want to go to the movies right now. Gotta save up for the convention. But let me know what movies on streaming, documentaries or stuff you like me to review. Let me know. in the comments down below. Again, I will be posting this as well as an ASMR version, which I'm going to start filming once stopped here. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. More videos are on their way, and until next time, this is JT signing off.